Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Japanese fast. Basic conversations for daily life. Beginner friendly. Picture this. You step into a quiet street in Tokyo. Neon lights glowing, people moving with purpose. You walk into a small ramen shop. The chef looks up, and in that moment, you have a choice. Stay silent or speak. And you say, "Konnichiwa." Everything changes. Today, you're going to learn how to do exactly that. Real Japanese for real life. Spoken slowly, clearly, with confidence. By the end of this video, you won't just understand Japanese, you'll start speaking it. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings in Japanese. Greetings matter deeply. Listen and repeat. Konnichiwa. Hello/good afternoon. Ohayou gozaimasu. Good morning. Konbanwa. Good evening. Casual. Ya. Hi. How are you? O genki desu ka? Response. Hai. Genki desu. Yes, I'm well. Mini conversation. A. Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? B. Hai. Genki desu. Section 2. Introducing yourself. Watashi no namae wa. My name is. Watashi wa Alex desu. To ask. O namae wa nan desu ka? What is your name? Where are you from? Doko kara kimashita ka? Answer. Philippine kara kimashita. I came from the Philippines. Mini conversation. A. Konnichiwa. O namae wa nan desu ka? B. Watashi wa Ken desu. Philippine kara kimashita. Section 3. Basic questions. Nani? What? Doko? Where? Itsu? When? Naze? Why? Example. Toire wa doko desu ka? Where is the bathroom? Section 4. Ordering food. You're in the ramen shop now. Sumimasen. Excuse me. Kore o kudasai. This, please. Ramen o kudasai. Want something else. Mo hitotsu kudasai. One more, please. Bill. O kaikei onegai shimasu. Mini conversation. A. Irashaimase. B. Sumimasen. Ramen o kudasai. A. Hai. B. Arigatou gozaimasu. Section 5. Directions. Doko desu ka? Eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the station? Migi. Right. Hidari. Left. Masugu. Straight. Section 6. Politeness. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Sumimasen. Excuse me/sorry. Onegai shimasu. Please. Section 7. Real flow. Full conversation. Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? Hai, genki desu. Watashi wa Alex desu. Philippine kara kimashita. Ramen o kudasai. O kaikei onegai shimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Language is not about perfection. It's about courage. Every word is a step forward. Every sentence is progress. So next time, speak. Even if it's simple, even if it's slow. Because now, you can. Sayonara. Goodbye.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.